Hey guys, John, Gulf States Overhead. Today we're going to do a video that I've been looking forward to. We're going to test the range of two very common remotes. One is the Chamberlain clicker. I did that in a previous video. I showed how to program these, as well as this one, which is a Chinese knockoff of the same remote. Chamberlain actually advertises an 800-foot range on these. So we're going to test that today, side by side with this other remote. Now, to give you a little backstory, this remote was about $32. This remote, it came in this nice little box, was $25 for a 2-pack. So we're going to see actually which one works the furthest away. They're both very easy to program, as I covered in a previous video. But today we're strictly looking for range. So for scientific measurement purposes, let's see, I have my handy dandy Vortex rangefinder. So follow me. We're going to start, I'd say, maybe 20 yards and go back in 20-yard increments and see which one stops working. So follow along. All right, we are right at about 20 yards. The door's obviously open. So let's try the name brand Chamberlain clicker. I don't think we should have any issue at this range. There we go. Let's try the knockoff version. No problems here. Let's go back another 20 yards. All right, this is about the best line of sight angle that I have, but we are going to give it a try. Again, we'll start with the Chamberlain. Ooh. It is not working. We're at 40 yards and the Chamberlain is not closing that door. Let's see the knockoff version. Where's that button? Well, that seemed to work pretty good. Let's see if the Chamberlain will open it. Oh, good. Let's see about the other one again. See if it'll open it. No problem. That's very interesting, guys. I was not expecting that. The Chamberlain one, which is more than twice the price, quit working after just 20 yards. They advertise an 800-foot range. We didn't get anywhere near that. Let's go back another 20 yards to see if the knockoff version can go back to 60 yards. All right. Now, as far as the distance, y'all are just going to have to trust me. I'm behind the camera ranging it. All right. Here we are, right at about 60 yards. We're going to try the name brand Chamberlain again, just to see. That might have been just a bad spot. Here we go. Nothing. That's very surprising. Well, let's try the less than half price knockoff version. There we go. We'll go all the way down and see if we can go up. Y'all, that's real surprising. I was not expecting, between these two remotes, like I said, these, a 2-pack of them was about $25. And the name brand remotes, I think this was $32 by itself. Quit working after just 20 yards. So if we were to make a recommendation, guys, I mean, I would say this one all day. You know, y'all be the judge.